Good morning, children. This is Social Studies class teacher Srinivas Rao, and today we will take second lesson, subject social, and topic is ideas of development. Ideas of development. So, ideas of development. In this topic, actually, we will try to understand the meaning of development. So, what is development, and what are the different developmental goals of people or the states or nations, and how development is measured. This is about the concept given in our subject, particularly in our lesson, ideas of development. So, if we want to define, it is nothing but, development is nothing but, so development is a comprehensive term which includes the rise of real income of a nation. This statement is giving information regarding the real income of the nation will be increased. You mean that if real income is increased, or the income of the nation is increased, that says as development. So it can be also explained as, it can be also explained as progress. It is also called as progress, or it can be given as progress. And you mean that once looking at this, if income is increased in a nation, that phenomenon, economic phenomenon, is called development. You mean that development is nothing but progress. At the same time, can be explained as people who are working for better life. A process of working for better life, also called as process of working for the better life, or working for the improvement of the living standard, also can be considered as development. You mean that it is nothing but rise of standard of living of the people who are working for the improvement of the standard of living. That process also can be called development. Process of working to rise the standard of living of a person, that kind of work is called as development. So development goals, development for every individual, we can find working for development. In the world, everybody can set the goal, can work for the better life, work for the better living conditions. You mean that everybody, based on their conditions, based on their situation, can set the goal. They can set the goal. Goal for what? Goal for kind of process, improvement process in his life. It's not only the person, it is the nation, it is all the countries in the world working for betterment of the society, betterment of the nation. So for that they will set goals. But it comes to the developmental goals, person to person, nation to nation may be different. When you speak something about different persons and different and will have different developmental goals. The developmental goal of a laborer or the farmer or a person who is in the other sector, a person who is employed. So everybody can set different developmental goals. Can't we see common goals, common developmental goals? We cannot see common developmental goals because people are different. People and their living conditions are different. Their locality is different. Their educational levels are different. Their economic conditions are different. Their skills are different. So, because of these many differences and the common developmental goal cannot be designed. This point is to be taken. Common developmental goal cannot be decided, so that based on their situation, based on their locality, based on their standard, based on their skills, based on their knowledge, based on their prosperity or economic position, they will set the goal. So, different people will have different developmental goals. So this is the important introduction of the topic ideas of development. Example, you take labor. A laborer can set a goal. What kind of goal that you can expect from labor? Daily laborer. He thinks that every day there should be work and good wages. At the same time, my kids, my children should get education in the local school, or if I would like to improve my status, I would like to work as a local leader, particularly in my lane, in my area. This is more than that we cannot expect from this person. So this is the way how developmental goals that they are setting. Example, you take a farmer who is depending upon rainfall. Farmer who is having 2 or 3 hectares of land, depending on rainfall, he is expecting irrigation. He wants to provide irrigation facilities for his land. At the same time, he is also thinking about good crop and good prices for their crop. So this is the general tendency of the farmer who is depending upon the rainfall. Always looking at the sky, would like to see rainfall regularly without any disturbance. Sometimes they are not getting rainfall, so that they give priority for rainfall. So they are looking at the surface water, would like to provide water for his land. At the same time, talking about a rich farmer who is having many hectares of land can think that this farmer can think about cheap labor. He can think about more production. He can think about more crops. He can think about more prices for his crops. At the same time, he would like to provide education for his children in the urban areas, school which are there in the urban areas. Even interested to send that kids to the other nations, foreign education, gives pride for foreign education. At the same time, talking about you take powder, would like to produce more parts, would like to make more parts, and every part should have a demand and should get more income. And it is the weaver, it's carpenter, or you take whatever. So different people will have different developmental goals. This is the first subtopic in our lesson. Tomorrow we'll go with another lesson, another subtopic in ideas of development. Thank you.